This is Asia's most beautiful train ride, and it runs through one of the most breathtaking landscapes in Sri Lanka. You should not miss it if you are planning a trip to Sri Lanka. Hey everyone, my name is Osama Azim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share my travel stories from around the world. Today I am taking you along one of the most iconic journeys in Asia, the famous train ride from Kandy to Ella. In this video, I'll walk you through everything. The train information, how to book tickets, and which class to reserve for the best views. So watch it till the end. The most popular train in this route for tourists is called the Podi Menik, train number 1005, running all the way from Colombo to Badala, covering nearly 292 kilometers in about 10 hours. If you want a shorter journey, you can board the same train at Kandy station and travel until Ella station. This is the best stretch of this journey, taking around 6 to 7 hours. Along the way, the train passes through misty mountains, endless tea plantations, and cascading waterfalls, every turn revealing a new breathtaking view. Some other train options are train number 1007 and 1015 called the Udarata Menik. All trains offer the same views, but try to take the morning trains for the best daylight views. Make sure to reserve second-class tickets. These seats are the sweet spot for tourists. They are comfortable, have large windows which you can open, and give you the best photo opportunities. First-class AC compartments can be more comfy, but you cannot open the windows or doors. Make sure to book your tickets on the official Sri Lanka Railways website and avoid paying extra on third-party sites. Tickets open 30 days before the departure date. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more travel stories from around the world. Thanks for watching.